In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your accounting in Odoo, from setup to reporting. First, log into Odoo using your usual credentials. Before you move on, make sure you're in the correct company environment if you manage more than one, and confirm that your time zone and currency are set properly. Having the right permissions for the accounting module will also save you headaches later. Next, head to the accounting module from the main dashboard. This is your central hub for everything finance related, and it's where you'll set up your accounts, record transactions, reconcile your bank, and generate reports. Start by setting up your chart of accounts, taxes, and payment methods. If you selected a localization when you first installed Odoo, your chart of accounts may already be preloaded. Review it to ensure it matches your business needs, and add or archive accounts as necessary to keep things clean. For taxes, confirm the correct rates and whether they're included in prices or added on top. Then configure payment methods such as bank accounts, cash, or online providers. Add your bank details exactly as they appear with your bank. This helps later with reconciliation. With the backbone in place, record your business activity by creating customer invoices for sales and vendor bills for expenses. On a sales invoice, select the customer, add products or services, set the due date, and let Odoo apply the correct taxes automatically. Post the invoice when you're ready. For expenses, create bills from vendors, include the bill date and due date, choose the right expense accounts, and attach supporting documents like PDFs or images to keep your records audit ready. Now reconcile your bank statements with your transactions. You can connect a bank feed or upload statement files. In the reconciliation screen, Odoo will suggest matches between statement lines and invoices or bills. Confirm matches that look correct, and for any unmatched lines, assign them to the appropriate accounts or create the missing entries. Aim to clear all unreconciled items so your books reflect reality. With accurate data, generate key reports like profit and loss, balance sheet, and cash flow. Choose your date range and use filters to focus on specific journals or analytic tags if you use them. You can drill down to the source entries and export reports for sharing or archiving. Finally, automate recurring invoices, payments, or expense entries when patterns repeat, such as subscriptions or rent. Set the recurrent schedule, review the next execution date, and monitor postings regularly to ensure everything runs smoothly. That's it. Follow these steps consistently, and your Odoo accounting will stay accurate, organized, and ready for decision making.